In this episode of Code Unveiled, we will take a look at puzzle number 7 from Advent of Code 2023 called Camel Cards. Before viewing this video, we encourage you to try solving the problem independently. Let's take a look at the problem description. There is a game similar to poker. Our input is a list of hands. Each hand consists of 5 cards and a bit. We must rank the hands. The weakest hand gets rank 1 and the strongest hand gets the largest rank. Every hand is exactly one type. From strongest to the weakest, they are 5 of a kind, where all 5 cards have the same label, 4 of a kind, where 4 cards have the same label and 1 card has a different label, Full House, where 3 cards have the same label and the remaining 2 cards share a different label, 3 of a kind, where 3 cards have the same label and the remaining 2 cards are each different from any other card in the hand, 2 pair, where 2 cards share one label, 2 other cards share a second label, and the remaining cards has a third label, 1 pair, where 2 cards share one label and the other 3 cards have a different label from the pair and each other, high card, where all cards label are distinct. Hands are primarily ordered based on type. For example, every full house is stronger than any 3 of a kind. If 2 hands have the same type, a second ordering rule takes effect. Start by comparing the first card in each hand. If these cards are different, the hand with stronger first card is considered stronger. If the first card in each hand has the same label, however, then move on considering the second card in each hand. If they differ, the hand with the higher second card wins. Otherwise, continue with the third card in each hand, then the fourth, and then the fifth. A winning of a hand is calculated as rank times bit. We must sum up all the winnings. The code does exactly what the puzzle description says. At the beginning, we define a map which assigns a value for each card so we can compare them later. We also define strengths for each hand type. We read the input file line by line and create tuples of cards and a bit. We sort the hands and then we sum up all the winnings. The sorting is the tricky part. We use the key function orderHand. This function returns a tuple where the primary sorting key is the strength of the type of the hand and the secondary sorting key is a list of card values. The cards to card values function simply assigns a value to each card. The cards to type function calculates card frequencies and determines the type of hand. When it is all put together, we get the desired output. In the second part, the elf introduces one additional rule. Now J cards are jokers, wild cards that can act like whatever card would make the hand the strongest type possible. To balance this, J cards are now the weakest individual cards, weaker even than 2. To address the changes, we tweak the code from the first part at 2 places. First, we change the card value of a joker to 0. Then we alter cards to type function. We take the number of jokers, if any, and remove them from the counter, and we add that number to the most common card in the hand. Watch out for edge cases when all the cards are jokers. Then we leave them intact because they are 5 of a kind. That's all I have for you today. If you have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. Thank you.